about how it's going to be like in the next fall or September intake. Okay. Daniel, can you share the presentations? All right. Can we move to the agenda? Before we start, I would like to guide you regarding today's agenda. To reintroduce you about our Indonesia team structure. I know we might have not yet met face-to-face again, so in case you forget our faces, we open up our camera again. And we are sorry we cannot visit your offices again, and hopefully soon we can meet each other again in person. And we will give you a little bit updates about the general updates and of course about the US and the UK as well. And if you along the way have any questions, please, you can always type your question on the chat box below, and we will have a session for Q&A after the updates. Next. And of course, I think all of you already know Daniel, our regional manager here in Indonesia. Daniel, can you say hi to us?
Hello, everyone. Just in case you forget about us, it's us.
Yeah, and of course we have Pak Adi, our US specialist. Can you say hi, Pak Adi? We cannot hear your voice, I think. Okay. All right. Okay, the last one is the new guy in town, myself. My name is Ibrahim. No worries. Okay. Yeah, and the last one will be me. I might have not yet have a chance to meet each one of you. My name is Ibam. I'm the UK specialist here in Indonesia. And we want to give you a little bit updates about our performances. Since 2012, we have 1,500 enrolled students. We have helped around 1,000 students. And our appearances here in Indonesia throughout 24 provinces, and we have helped 385 institutions. And in 2019, we have already visited 200 agent office, and we already have 173 events. And all of this can be done because of you. So we would like sincerely to thank you to each one of you for your support towards Indo. And now I'm going to pass this to Daniel. Daniel would give you a little bit update about how it's going to be like for September. Daniel, the floor is all yours.
Thank you, Ibam. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. I'm going to have a mix of Indonesia and English just to make sure that everyone is comfortable talking today. So one of the main point of our event today is we want to give you a quick update on how things are in terms of recruitment for the US and the UK. What are the promotions and the things that we are rolling out so that this year, although yes, we do have the pandemic and everything, you would still be able to recruit. You would still be able to have students coming into your doors today. And that is why Into is using the campaign that we are running, which is with you every step of the way. We want to be with all our partners, supporting them and giving them the tools to be able to continue selling in the markets. And this is what we're doing with us. So as you already probably know, what we have rolled out with Into is that we're providing a flexible study plan, which means your students, regardless is going to the UK or the US, if they are doing our pathway program, they can either study on campus, which is plan A. Okay, this will not change. All our universities in the US and the UK will have on campus. We know that some students cannot travel down there to the UK or the US, but we do have students on campus as well. We do have international students already in the UK or the US who's continuing the program. So our face-to-face on campus is going to be our plan A. And Plan A will continue to happen with all our university partners and centers in the US and the UK. But we are also offering, if you cannot travel for any whatsoever reason, okay, be it you cannot get visas, you cannot get flights, health issues, or any types of any issues, we are offering our Plan B. Plan B is you can start online for the first semester, okay, from August or September all the way to December. And then you will join our face-to-face in January, okay? So this allows students to join our online start first. They don't need to wait. They don't need to put their education on pause just because of the pandemic. Life has to move on, and I think everyone agrees that we want students to start this September. And if they could still not, or they do not want to join our online program, we have our Plan C, which allows them to defer to the January intake. Without any additional cost, they can use the same tuition fee of 2020. They use the same scholarships or discounts that we are providing in 2020. So a very good offer for students to be very flexible in these circumstances. As we know, we also provide a triple guarantee where you can replace your classes with online or defer, or last case, if students still do not want to go or do not want to join our programs, they can always request for refunds until the terms of conditions, okay? Now, talking about the online program, I want to be able to provide you some information about this. As you've seen, online is growing like crazy in the world. Remote learning has grown 44% globally in the past 5 years. In the past 10 years alone, it grew 91%. All this was before Corona happened. So you can see that the world are moving. Things are going online. We're doing our shopping online and everything online. So I think the message that we need to start educating students is about adapting to the changes. People will see that, oh, it's not the best option. I never do online learning and things like that. But this is where the world are moving on. So this is something that we need to start educating the market that, look, online is the way to go in the future. Okay? There's a lot of information and benefits, okay, for you to study online. For example, you can always make most of your time. You can start now. You will have the same teachers, same courses, everything the same from the comfort of your home. Okay, you still can bond with classmates and fellow Indonesians because we have that technology and we have that support. And we also develop interpersonal skills, save a lot of money as well because they don't have to travel to the US or the UK. Take advantage of our in-country support because we will have that. And especially for the US, we are giving up to 7 days to try. If you're not happy, we will defer you. Okay? So this is what we're offering for the US at the moment. The UK is coming up very soon. All right. I'm going to play you a quick video. This is from Dr. Sharon Sundu, who is a PhD from Harvard, and she is our academic director in the US, who will be talking to you more about the benefits of synchronous and asynchronous learning for students who are doing online classes. think there's a problem with it.
Yes, I think you can go to GoToWebinar mix settings, and if you see the stereo mix, you can share it. It's not in the Windows, it's in the GoToWebinar settings.
Okay.
Yeah, you can expand the audio options, and I think your options is microphone Realtek audio. Can you go to the GoToWebinar settings? Not in your personal settings. It's in, so you have to click the GoToWebinar menu.
Yep, I'm already there.
Okay, yeah, audio, and then you change the microphone Realtek audio to stereo mix. Hang on a second. I'll send you a photo so you can see.
It's not working, is it?
Not yet, but I give you I send you the photo so you can see what I meant.
Maybe we'll just skip this one, Ibrahim, if that's okay.
Okay.
Just run full of the time. Okay. But I've also prepared this really quick, we can always share this later with you in terms of the link, but Dr. Sharon had been involved in developing lots of online programs in the US, and now she's based at Drew University. She's going to be talking a lot about the asynchronous and synchronous learning. And here means synchronous itu berlangsung bersamaan ya, live langsung di depan, but asynchronous adalah mungkin pre-recorded ataupun mereka independently studying. Synchronous memang bagus, kenapa? Karena mereka bisa langsung connect dengan mahasiswa yang lain-lainnya, mereka have connections with the classmate, so opportunity-nya lebih like real time langsung kelasnya. Jadi kelas-kelas web, kelas-kelas online kita, we will be a combination between synchronous and asynchronous. Walaupun synchronous memang enak, real time langsung, mereka bisa tanya langsung, mendengar langsung, partisipasi dan mendapatkan sense of class-nya dengan virtual classroom. Namun banyak sekali studies yang sudah menjelaskan bahwa sebenarnya asynchronous learning itu jauh juga sangat bermanfaat karena mahasiswa banyak sekali yang bisa didapatkan, including mereka bisa belajar sendiri independently, mereka bisa press play, and mereka bisa juga belajar lebih lanjut dengan programnya itu. So I think lots of opportunities kalau mereka have to go with synchronous learning. Okay? So another offer that we are providing in Indonesia adalah kita akan punya online plus. Jadi akan ada support di Indonesia, walaupun memang yes, you're taking your classes mungkin akan mulai online. Di Indonesia kita akan ada support sistem yang lumayan lengkap. Before you start, kita akan ada orientation face-to-face, kita akan ada preparation workshop, tips and tricks, juga ada seminar dan webinar mungkin dengan dosen-dosen kita atau student-student lain yang sudah ngambil online. Kita akan berusaha menciptakan sebuah komunitas di Indonesia juga yang memang mereka semua pada ngambil kelas online, jadi mereka nggak merasa sendiri. We will also have progression report, jadi kalau seandainya mereka nggak login, atau ada masalah, sistemnya segala, kita akan ada support di Indonesia yang akan bantu mereka, sampai pre-departure briefing, bahkan nanti mungkin bareng berangkatnya ke UK, atau bahkan ada satu university yang memang bahkan sudah siap untuk charter flights untuk langsung ke UK. So things like that adalah hal yang kita bisa kembangkan nantinya ketika mahasiswa mengambil online dan akan progres ke UK di Januari nantinya. Okay, so our staff will have in-country support. Jadi kalau ada apa-apa pun nggak perlu nunggu sampai UK atau US buka, tapi kita ada staff di sini yang akan bantu. Tentunya bukan akademik karena staff di sini bukan akademik, namun kita akan bantu sebisa mungkin dengan semua service yang ada di US ataupun di UK di center. Kita akan usahakan akan memiliki semua service itu juga di Indonesia. Okay, talking about our US. Tentu teman-teman sudah tahu mungkin dengan segala berita yang muncul di US tentang riot yang terjadi di sana ataupun dengan segalanya dengan perkembangan corona di sana. Syukurnya untuk all our US partner di US itu hampir semua merasakan tidak ada masalah besar dengan adanya sistem corona ini. Ya, everyone is safe, tidak ada yang tertular, dosen maupun student yang setelah on campus semua safe, no problem at all. Penjarahan itu juga mungkin hanya di kota-kota besar dan juga tidak terjadi di kota-kota kecil di mana kampus-kampus kita berada. So that's the good news. Dan cases untuk corona sendiri di kota-kota itu, contoh di Oregon State itu di daerah tempat Oregon State yaitu di Benton County hanya cuma 20 orang yang kena. Dan tidak ada satupun yang meninggal. Same goes with Washington State, Colorado State, Illinois. Banyak sekali di kota-kota itu memang sudah recover. Mereka on the recovery mode sudah. So should be no problem. Namun tentu kita akan tetap open our online program agar teman-teman bisa tetap safe dan tidak perlu khawatir untuk bisa tetap lanjut di US tahun ini di bulan Agustus ataupun September. Nantinya Januari bisa lanjut on campus. Nah, we also already introduced program Confirm with Confidence, ya, di mana Confirm with Confidence ini memberikan potongan dari 10 sampai 20% on the tuition fee, okay, on the first semester tuition fee. Nah, di sini it's sort of a hardship discount buat teman-teman yang mau ke US karena adanya corona ini kita berikan sampai up to 20% discount. This offer can be combined dengan scholarship ataupun dengan sibling discount. So that's the good thing. Kadang masuk ke US bisa jadi jauh lebih murah dengan adanya discount ini yang kita offering. Okay, tentunya ada beberapa terms and condition untuk semua yang student new offer holder atau belum accept offer, mereka eligible for the discount, ya. Dan mereka yang confirm student selama itu mendapatkan center scholarship dari OSU dan Drew masih eligible, sedangkan untuk SLU itu hanya dapat 1.000 tambahannya. Okay, untuk yang sudah bayar tergantung dari berapa jumlah scholarshipnya mereka. Kalau above standard mereka nggak ada diskon tambahan, tapi kalau standard scholarshipnya mereka masih eligible for this discount. Itu semua buat teman-teman yang bayar deposit. Hanya perlu bayar tuition deposit untuk sementara ini untuk US, tidak perlu bayar housing deposit. Kalau sudah bayar housing deposit, we will provide that money into your tuition fee. Okay, untuk sementara. Namun untuk accept, all you need to do is bayar $2.000 untuk tuition deposit sebelum tanggal 31 Juli 2020. Okay, ini sebagai contoh dengan 3 terms program 1 tahun di Oregon State, di mana mereka biasanya 32.000, kita ada confirm with confident discount sekitar 3.000, jadi mereka jatuhnya sekitar 29.000. Nah, Oregon State punya maximum scholarship untuk mahasiswa Indonesia 8.000, jadi total 1 tahun di Oregon State itu 21.000. I would say this is very, very affordable. Okay? Nah, contoh lagi ini untuk di University of South Florida, di mana mereka untuk 2 semester programnya itu 25.000, jadi 23.000 dengan confirm with confident, dan maximum scholarship 4.000 jadi 19.000. So I think this is very, very affordable. I think USF would be our most affordable university. Dia masih top 50 university, namun mereka one of our most affordable university juga dengan tambahan confirm with confident ini. Nah, USF, teman-teman tadi kita ada pesan sponsor sedikit di sini, di mana kalau memang belum pernah ke USF atau agency Anda belum pernah kirim ke USF, ya, you will be eligible for fam trip. Okay, one student, one fam trip selama dari agency Anda belum pernah kirim ke USF sebelumnya. Okay, same date tanggal 31 Juli 2020 adalah berakhirnya. So you can definitely go and check out all these amazing things at Tampa di Florida, okay? And all the activities that they have. Nanti kalau sudah, tentunya kalau sudah nggak ada halangan dengan international travel, okay? Nah, untuk Confirm with Confidence Center Scholarship, kita ada dengan St. Louis. St. Louis biasanya 47. Mereka punya potongan hanya $1.000, tambahannya jadi 46. Namun mahasiswa untuk ke St. Louis bisa dapat scholarship sampai $15.000 US. Jadi potongannya jadi 31.000 biaya kuliahnya St. Louis. Kalau mahasiswanya berasal dari Catholic University, Catholic High School di Indonesia ya, sekolah-sekolah Katolik ada potongan 4.000 lagi. Dan kalau mereka dari Catholic Jesuit High School ya, seperti SMA Loyola, Canisius, Gonzaga, ya Santo Yusuf di Malang, itu mereka bisa dapat tambahan lagi $5.000 per tahunnya. Jadi total sampai 20.000 potongannya dari St. Louis University untuk tahun ini bisa join at St. Louis. Okay? Untuk Drew, you're in New Jersey, okay? Still very safe, jauh dari magnitude-nya COVID yang terjadi di New York. Namun the Big Apple Scholarship itu sampai 8.000 tetap ada. Dan ada potongan lagi sampai $4.000, yaitu jadi total Drew sekitar 29 ribuan. So still very affordable time to study in the US tentunya. Lots of discount, lots of opportunity, tidak akan efek pada komisi agent. So komisi agent tetap akan mendapatkan seperti gross tuition fee di atas, tidak akan terpengaruh dengan any discount that we're providing. Okay? Dan if we must start online, kita semua punya program online-nya available in the US, ya. Kita ada yang University Design, program online-nya dari university, ada juga yang powered by UAB. Khusus buat UAB, Illinois State, dan juga Drew University, itu will be with UAB. Namun selainnya adalah mereka akan memiliki e-campus dari university masing-masing. Nah, untuk program e-campus sendiri, itu tergantung platformnya setiap kampus beda-beda. Ya, mereka tidak memakai sistem Zoom atau GoToMeeting, GoToWebinar seperti ini, tapi mereka punya University e-Campus sendiri, di mana memang mereka sudah puluhan tahun menggunakan sistem ini. Okay, jadi it's not something new, it's something that we have developed for very long time, dan student bisa take the e-Campus program dari Indonesia untuk semester pertama, bahkan ada beberapa kampus yang bisa full 1 tahun juga bisa ngambil di dalam kampusnya, di online-nya. Dan ada beberapa perubahan lain ketika mau accept offer untuk ke US, nanti akan ada pilihan, on the acceptance form akan ada pilihan that in the event that I cannot join program on campus, apa kamu harus memilih A, I will start online, or B, I will defer my program to the next available intake. Okay, so student have to sign and choose which one. Dan tentunya tadi sebagaimana saya bilang, kita hanya butuh tuition deposit 2.000, accommodation deposit hanya kalau you will start on campus later. Okay, so that's a little bit of the changes untuk US accepting the offer. Untuk US juga, teman-teman nggak perlu khawatir, nggak harus ada IELTS, TOEFL atau apa, bisa ambil tes kita, free Duolingo test, available online 24 jam, mereka bisa ngambil dimanapun, kapanpun dengan Duolingo test kita, khusus untuk yang US program kita. Dan tentunya kalau kita practicing social atau physical distancing, mereka nggak bisa datang, mereka nggak bisa come to your office, we also have our DocuSign, jadi mereka tinggal tanda tangan secara elektronik lewat program DocuSign ini, ya, it will be secured link to their email address, mereka tanda tanganin dan akan kita balikan. Mereka bisa accept offer atau sign application form atau sign any form untuk US dengan DocuSign kita. Okay, so that's another available option that students can have in the US. Nah, nanti hopefully di session selanjutnya kita ingin share beberapa teaser kelas, jadi teman-teman bisa lihat kayak apa sih kelas-kelas online itu yang diajarkannya dan bagaimana interaksi antara dosen, mahasiswa, terus platformnya seperti apa. We will introduce that in our next update. But for now, I want to give you a quick show of this is what OSU online learning looks like. Mereka salah satu yang terbaik di US. Ini kelas biologi, algebra, itu semua diajarkan secara online. Mungkin Anda nggak bisa dengar suaranya, namun bisa lihat soundnya di sini. Bagaimana kelas-kelas ini all can be done online, oke? Okay? Jadi kayak video-video ini sudah di pre-recorded sama dosen-dosennya. Mereka akan asynchronous programnya kalau yang seperti ini, ya. Tapi juga ada live classes juga.
Like going too deep and richness of understanding, reasoning, they will accomplish suicide as you will become like
Jadi Oregon State juga sudah terkenal, bahkan if you know Agnes Monica, ketika dulu dia pindah ke US, dia juga ngambil e-campusnya Oregon State University juga. That's why Oregon State was one of the top 5 untuk program online-nya di US. Number 1 is Ohio, Embry Reader. Number 5 is Oregon State. Colorado State top 11 best program. Yeah. We also have UAB top 20, Illinois State top 23, Washington State top 23. As you can see, we're still one of the top best online program di US. Itulah kenapa mereka akan menawarkan programnya secara langsung, secara online untuk semester pertamanya. Bahkan ada beberapa yang nantinya kalau seandainya memang kondisi tidak bisa terbang ke US atau apa, bisa dilanjutkan juga. Okay, so it's not something new for us. It's been developed for a long time. Okay, jadi semua programnya bisa diambil secara online nantinya with this option. Dan tentunya interaksi sama mahasiswa tetap akan ada, kelas synchronous dan asynchronous, live ataupun tidak juga akan ada. Jadi itu it's a really good option. Jangan sampai student-student kita jadi gagal ataupun pause kelasnya atau studinya hanya karena mereka nggak bisa join this year. Okay, so that's a little bit about US. We will give you more information tentang kelas-kelasnya dan kita akan ada semacam workshop buat agent bagaimana bisa test out our online platform nantinya untuk yang US. Untuk our UK, at the moment, UK kita adalah business as usual. Dalam artian apa? Kita tetap akan ada on-campus learning di UK. With provided kalau tidak bisa mendapatkan visa ataupun ada masalah apapun untuk yang UK, you will still be able to join our online class. Our online class itu ada pakai Blackboard sistemnya dan juga ada Bongo Learn. Bongo Learn ini adalah sebuah platform online untuk virtual classroom, virtual video assignment, dan all the group works and everything is all done online as well. Okay, ada collaboration untuk ujiannya semua will be done in Bongo Learn. Semua teman-teman yang semester kemarin ini dari Januari terganggu kelas-kelasnya face to face karena adanya lockdown dan lain sebagainya, mereka have moved on to take Bongo Learn as one of the platform, okay, termasuk Blackboard and internal, which is our internal platform juga. So this will be used for our students in that are studying in the UK. Again, we will have more options about studying in the UK. I will skip this video karena of the sound, but this is what our students have given you, what they say about studying online, bagaimana bisa doing successfully with their online classes. We will share this video later for you to be able to download. Okay. The same with our UK, we will have our online option, okay, with students yang the same thing, they will have progression, everything through our online. So for the first semester akan ada, atau first termnya akan online. Agents Incentive Commission will remain the same. We also have 20% discount untuk first term tuition, okay, untuk term pertamanya. Dan kita juga punya early bird discount, which hopefully it ended yesterday, but I'm hopeful that it will be able to be continued, hopefully. Okay. Nah, ini sebagai contoh untuk program di UK, untuk di Acceptor, face-to-face biasanya 20.000, dengan scholarship atau diskon yang kita berikan 1.500, jadinya 118.000. Namun, kalau mahasiswanya akan mulai online for the first semester, ada tambahan lagi potongan sampai 1.370 pounds. Jadi jatuhnya lebih murah lagi untuk start this year. Okay? Same goes, this is for Queen's International Year 1, 17.000 potongannya, 1.500 jadinya 15.000. Namun jika online ada tambahan lagi 1.195 discountnya. Okay, so that's a really great option for students if they want to start online. There's additional up to 20% discount di setiap universitinya for the first semester tuition. Okay, nah talking about English requirement, untuk sementara UKVI hanya allow ada 3 tes yang tetap hanya dilakukan face to face, yaitu dengan UKVI IELTS, ya. UKVI IELTS adanya di British Council ataupun di IDP. Sementara memang untuk bulan Juni cancel, but they say that July will start again. Kita juga accept Pearson test, ya, PTE, itu adanya di ILF di Jakarta. That's also a UKVI SELT requirement, juga bisa, ataupun language cert di IIEF di Jakarta. Ada 3 tes ini yang di-approve oleh pemerintah UK untuk visa mereka. Nah, jika kita start online, okay, if we have to start online, we will allow alternative test, IELA, password Duolingo, nanti akan diinformasikan lebih lanjut apa saja yang akan diterima. Tentunya ada termasuk tes-tes yang juga online. Jadi teman-teman nggak perlu khawatir, nggak punya UKVI ini gimana untuk September, bisa ambil nanti tes kita online. Kita akan informasikan secepat mungkin ketika sudah di-approve nantinya. Oke? Okay? Tentunya buat teman-teman yang mau direct entry ataupun ngambil joint class program tidak perlu UKVI. Ya, bisa ngambil IELTS biasa, bisa ngambil Duolingo, bisa ngambil tes TOEFL, IELA, ataupun apa untuk masuk ke Queen's IYO, GCU Foundation dan IYO, dan Sterling IYO dan juga IY2. Okay, so that's a quick update tentang English requirements. Tentunya kita juga masih running promotion untuk our UK buat teman-teman yang send two students, ya, 2 student to City University of London dan juga Newcastle London dari each agency. There is opportunity for a fam trip to come to London later once things are opening up. Okay, so great opportunity if you send 2 students to City University of London atau to Newcastle University of London, we will invite you to study to come to London as well. Okay, so that's the only updates we have at this time. Again, we will have more updates for you. We want this to be an interactive session. and more of a time for you to ask questions and Q&A. So with that, I return back to Ibrahim.
Thank you, Daniel. I think that is very thorough. I'm just going to open the questions box, see if you have any questions. And if you have still something in mind, you can always chat it on our chat box, okay? All right. The first question would be, so inter-online learning would be blended with both synchronous and asynchronous. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. Jadi kalau yang di UK, kita akan ada kelasnya itu jam 8, jam 9 pagi di UK. So you're looking at about like 3 o'clock, ya, jam 3 sore waktu Indonesia Barat. Jam 4 sore, jam 5 sore itu adalah waktu kelas-kelasnya akan berlangsung untuk live classes yang synchronous. Nah, untuk asynchronousnya itu it's anytime, it's an independent study. Jadi teman-teman bisa play lagi video-video sudah pre-recorded, mereka bisa press pause, mereka bisa balik lagi, rewind lagi untuk mendengarkan lebih lanjut. Terkadang dengan sistem kayak itu memang lebih bagus ya. Jadi mereka bisa belajar lagi dan retake the notes dan di waktu yang mereka mau gitu kan. Jadi kalau seandainya ada teman-teman yang saya biasanya bangunnya agak siang nih, ya kan, asynchronous enak, jadi mereka nggak perlu khawatir untuk asynchronous bisa berlangsung di waktu seperti di kapanpun mereka mau. Okay? So both we have asynchronous and synchronous.
All right. The second questions would be, apa yang membedakan 10% sama 20% untuk diskon US?
Untuk diskon US, tentunya adalah dari durasi berapa term atau berapa semester mereka dengan program pathway kita. Oke, itu yang menentukan juga, dan adalah beasiswa yang sudah diberikan juga ke ke student. Setiap kampus punya kebijakan beda-beda ya untuk masalah itu. Tentunya adalah kita lihat berapa persentasenya. Kalau kita mau bandingkan, sebenarnya walaupun we say 10%, itu ketika mereka masuk ke tahun keduanya, ya contohnya dengan Drew. Drew itu kasih 10% for the first year, tapi Drew itu programnya 2 tahun, jadinya 10% kali 2, jadi 20%, sama aja. Okay? So, it's gonna be like that, and it's set, nggak perlu dihitung sendiri, kita akan langsung automatically show it in our statement balance, berapa potongannya.
Alright, I think that answered. We can move on to another one. For UK, if we start online, can we take IELTS or password test for English requirement for free?
For free, at the moment kita belum tahu masalah free atau enggaknya. Oke, untuk sementara UK kita memang untuk teman-teman yang UKVI IELTS ataupun Pearson ataupun Language Cert dan nilainya kurang, kita bisa memberikan IELTS test for free. Untuk kedepannya, okay, we are waiting for confirmation from Into UK, apa saja yang bisa ditawarkan dan bisa nggak itu free nantinya. We will update you on that one.
Okay, so we will have another update for that. Moving on, what if parents are comfortable to send their kids to UK or USA this year? Is there options to defer only?
To defer, yes. So we have the opportunity to defer to January intake. Okay? So that's available. Untuk intake selanjutnya, at the moment, we don't have that ready. Karena apa? Karena tentunya sistemnya berbeda dan juga peraturan juga, terms and condition juga berbeda. So if they say, we want to defer to January, no problem at all. We will be able to defer that to January intake. Mungkin January sudah mulai opening up, things are much better, and hopefully things are, doing even better. But menurut saya sih sayang aja, dari September, dari sekarang sampai Januari, I would say 6 months, nganggur kan sayang juga ya. Jadi kalau mereka mau, just take classesnya online, nggak ada masalahnya. You're one step ahead, one semester ahead. Kalau di US, satu semester itu minimal sudah 15 kreditan. Sayang banget dong kalau sudah kehilangan kesempatan itu. Okay, you get the same lecture, same dosennya sama, semua sama, hanya physically you're not there. Okay?
Yes. Okay. The following question.
Excuse me, Daniel. Excuse me,
Sorry,
Daniel and Ibrahim. I think, yeah, if you read the question again, what Ms. Chen means by her question
Yes.
is there any other option rather than just differing? Any
Well,
other
at the
option
moment-
rather than just differing?
Can
At
they
the
start
moment that-
online?
At the moment, it's either online or defer.
Yep. So either those two would be an options, online class or defer. Moving on. Hang on a second. Oke, jika sudah memilih plan B di mana online learning di September sampai Desember dan Januari on campus, apakah student harus ambil UKVI IELTS kembali?
Okay, good question. Ini yang sedang digodok sama Into UK. Jujur ya, ini yang mereka dipersiapkan sekarang. Ya, di mana program kita, hopefully kalau kita start online dan kita akan bisa memasukkan modul-modul itu secara agak padat, ya. Berarti dengan harapan, ya, ini belum confirm ya. Jangan dibilang dan seperti ini, enggak. Ini masih belum confirm, cuman ini adalah work in progress yang saya beritahukan adalah kita mengusahakan kelas-kelasnya semua berakhir dalam masa 6 bulan. Jadi Januari sampai Juni udah beres. Oke? Okay? Kan untuk sementara kalau kita tahu kalau face to face kita Januari selesainya di sekitar agak kelewatan di bulan Juni. Kalau bisa selesai dalam 6 bulan, students bisa ngambil visa STSV, short term study visa. Dengan short term study visa perlu UKVI dan it will be much easier for students juga nantinya. Okay? So that's our hope, and we are waiting for that information. Ketika sudah ada konfirmasi, tentunya kita akan share that information later.
All right. Okay. And then the next questions would be program online in US. Is it for IYO and UTP program?
Yes, for all our program in the US, we will have online. So IYO, UTP, graduate pathway, everything will go online. Untuk direct entry, kita masih menunggu setiap kampus keputusannya bagaimana, karena ada beberapa kampus yang akan sudah mulai open up. So we're still waiting for that for direct entry. But for all the pathway, we will have online.
All right. I think that answered. And then kalau untuk apply ke US yang online class, jadi gimana apply visa studentnya?
Jadi untuk yang US, kalau teman-teman sudah mulai accept offer dan ini, kita akan keluarkan confirmation letter semua udah oke. Namun yang tidak akan kita keluarkan dulu adalah I-20. Kenapa? Kita akan melihat nanti sampai status weeknya. Karena apa, kalau yang US kita berikan sampai teman-teman, oh saya memulai 7 hari, kelas mulai itu masih bisa berubah. Okay? That's our new refund policy untuk cancellation policy untuk programnya yang US. We're giving up to 7 days untuk people to try the online class before they have to decide later. Okay? With that said, tentu kita akan memberikan tester kelas dulu sekarang. Okay? We are looking at hopefully early end of this month or early July, kita sudah ada tes kelas yang teman-teman bisa coba dulu. Okay? So you can try it before you buy it gitulah. Okay? So that's the plan for our US. You can try it first, get access to our online classes, try it out, you like it, you can join the online in August or September. Okay? Jadi untuk masalah visa, nanti kita akan hanya issue I-20 when you are confirmed you will be traveling to the US. Okay? Only when confirmed you will be studying in the US, we will issue I-20s. If not, we will hold the I-20 dulu sampai intake yang mereka berlangsung. Barulah nanti mereka akan mengajukan visa ketika sudah open up. Okay? I know untuk sementara US Embassy masih tutup di Indonesia. Kalau saya lihat mereka akan mulai membuka visa appointment dari Jakarta mulai tanggal 26 Juni ini katanya, ya. Okay. But of course, provided that things are opening up and PSBB nggak ada di Jakarta atau PSBB transisi nggak ada, tentunya juga tergantung pada peraturan di Indonesia-nya juga. Yang saya tahu, this week Taiwan sudah buka US Embassy-nya, udah taking Thailand minggu depan mulai tanggal 15 teman-teman sudah mulai ngambil interview. Malaysia juga sudah mulai buka tanggal 15 dan Hong Kong if I'm not mistaken. So in the region things are starting opening up dan mereka sudah mulai opening up the embassy again. But for Indonesia tentunya kita lihat peraturannya Jakarta adalah sampai tanggal 30 transisinya, jadi mereka mungkin juga menunggu itu. Ataupun mungkin tanggal 26 sudah mulai karena di website mereka tanggal 26 sudah mulai bisa booking.
Okay. All right. Following questions about trial classes. Can UK programs do the trial 7 days?
Untuk yang UK, we will give the trial access dulu di depan, ya. Untuk masalah 7 days-nya, that's something that is to be confirmed. So far, it's only US who already confirmed that 7 days trial. 7 days itu artinya gini, dia mulai start date kita contoh 16 September. Ya, mereka punya sampai 7 hari untuk include kelas online-nya. If they feel don't like it, then they can defer. So that's the plan. Okay, that's already available for US. Untuk UK masih belum. We're still waiting for updates tentang terms and condition-nya UK.
All right. Okay. I think that's clear. And then for refund options, will it be 100%? And what are the terms and conditions?
So for all our refund, selama kelasnya belum mulai, ya, we will provide full 100% refund. Ya, hanya ada mungkin kayak admin fee kayak $5 gitu untuk charges kembalian funds, itu yang biasa terjadi. But fully 100% refund minus any admin charges.
All right. I think it means 100% refund. And then moving on.
I think what we'll do is, sorry Ibrahim, what we'll do is adalah kita akan juga nanti tentunya kasih handout refund policy-nya seperti apa. Okay, so it's nice and clear buat teman-teman agent bisa infoin kepada student, parents ini loh, kalau seandainya refund policy-nya seperti apa. It will be on the confirmation pack juga. Kalau sudah beberapa yang US sudah terima confirmation pack atau UK, there's refund policy that is updated there as well.
All right. Okay then. Another one, will you hold any sessions about online learning to confirm students by any chance?
To confirm student maksudnya kayak apa nih?
Jadi apakah ada sesi buat online, ada sesi untuk online class untuk student yang sudah confirm?
Okay. Yes, so that's something that we are planning for the confirmed student. Jadi yang sudah bayar, ya, bayar deposit, kita akan coba invite mereka nantinya to test out the online classes. Okay, so they will be getting the priority to test it out, to try it out. We'll have a small gathering for them. Okay, I know some places like some cities sudah mulai ada gathering sendiri, ya mereka udah mulai buat komunitas sendiri juga. We're helping them to grow that community as well. Mereka bisa belajar bareng. Contohnya di Medan mereka sudah get together, bahkan lunch bareng, teman-teman yang mau ke US bareng, di UK bareng.
Nice.
Kita online dulu, nggak apa-apa nih kita ketemuan dulu deh biar kenal semuanya. And so later once we have everything set up, tentunya memang akan memakan sedikit waktu ya daripada yang kita harapkan. Kenapa ya? So far hampir semua company sama, hanya 50% orang yang kerja di UK, di US itu. Jadi ya mereka kerjanya adalah bersilih ganti ya. Jadi things are slightly bit slow to get things up and running for us. So hopefully once we have it, we will definitely share it with you.
All right. Okay, moving on. I think this is the last questions. If you have any questions, we still have time. The question is, just to confirm, student can choose to start with online courses till end of year, disregard of visa application availability. Is this correct?
Yes. So until So this practically what we are offering now for online is starting from August atau September until December. Okay? So kalau nanti Desember gimana? We will talk about it later. At the moment, we are looking positive for Desember, Januari sudah mulai kelas-kelasnya face-to-face. Tentunya dengan slightly stricter protokol, ya, di mana memang mungkin kita nggak akan satu kelas full seperti biasanya. Bahkan, although our pathway program memang sudah kelas-kelasnya kecil, kemungkinan akan lebih kecil lagi nantinya kalau yang face-to-face. Okay? Namun ada beberapa kampus juga akan mulai dengan blended learning, di mana walaupun you're face-to-face, large lecture yang di mana 50 orang seperti itu mereka tidak akan lagi. Okay? Yang large lecture is all gonna be done through online walaupun you're face-to-face. Nah, breakout session ataupun tutorial kelasnya yang masih diperbolehkan secara face-to-face. So some centers, some universities are different. Tentunya itu adalah untuk uphold masalah kesehatan dan juga safety, health and safety of all our students, our staff, and everybody on campus.
Okay. All right. I think that's it. There's one question about master program in the UK, but I think I can cover that. You can always contact me for general about UK or US to Pak Adi. I'm just going to give a little bit more time if there's anyone who have any questions. Mungkin dari Pak Adi atau Daniel ada yang mau tambahin in the meantime.
I think
probably from me, just
Go ahead, Pak Adi, sorry.
Yeah, for those of you who are, you have any case on the US applicants, if you're not sure about whether the student is going to get his confirmed with governors or not, or you have a future student who is going to apply, feel free to contact me and we'll talk about the case. As of now, I'm working on several offer holders cases, whether they get CWC or not, confirmed with governance scholarship, would they get a sibling discount, what about the new parameter scholarship that Daniel just talked about. So you don't do it to count yourself. Don't get confused about 10 to 20%, just like Daniel said. We have the exact numbers. So before you go to the students, we can update the offer first from the admissions. And then after that, if you need me to accompany you to explain about the new situations, about the new scenario, online or a face-to-face, and the likeliness about the situation in the US, I'm good to do an online private consulting session with your students, so they will get their questions answered in regards to these new developments. So feel free to contact me or Daniel, probably on the US, and then of course UK, you can contact Daniel and Ibrahim. Thank you.
Okay. Any other, Mr. Daniel?
I think that's all we want to be able to share to everybody. I just like to just take a moment to thank everyone. It's not something easy to be able to still do your jobs, talk to students, parents from wherever, from your homes, and working from home must be really tough for some people as well. So we just want to appreciate all the support that everyone have for us. And I think it just goes to show how resilient we are as industry, as people in the education industry, that things have to move on. We still have to make sure our students get the education they wanted, the dreams that they're dreaming, and we continue our businesses as well. So thank you so much for all the support, everyone.
All right. I think before we close, there is one last question. I think Pak Adi can help this one. Confirm with confidence discount also available for postgrad.
For postgraduate pathway, yes.
Yes, definitely. Yes, for pathway, yes, definitely.
Okay. Yes, I think that's it. Thank you so much, everyone, for attending this session. We will have more updates about the UK and US later on. And any other? Daniel or Paddy?
We're good.
Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone for attending this session.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for supporting Into.
Have a good weekend, everyone.
Yes. Have a good weekend, everyone. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.